Hey guys, Usman here and welcome to my recurring profit machine V3 review. I'm going to show you guys the members area, I'm going to show you guys the upsells and how much it costs, and on top of that I've got some really cool bonuses that you can get if you decide to purchase it from the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get started. So here I am on the JV page of recurring profit machine V3. Bank 100% commissions and earn up to $53.95 per sale. Okay, let me talk to you what the product is. Okay, so let's talk about the product, the prices and upsells. Okay, so you have the front end product. Recurring Profit Machine V3 is a complete training course where your customers will learn a tested method that will guarantee recurring commissions to them like clockwork. The difference of Recurring Profit Machine V3 from Recurring Profit Machine V2 is we have included two more complete and separate done-for-you funnels. One done-for-you solo profit funnel, number two internet marketing jumpstart funnel. So your customers are getting three complete done-for-you funnels with separate setup manuals and all and the version. So you will be getting access to three done-for-you funnels with separate setup manuals. Okay, with the recurring profit machine course, your customers are also getting a fully functional, ready-to-go, done-for-you setup designed with the principles of recurring profit machine course. And then you have Upsell 1. Upsell 1 is WordPress site version of done-for-you setup plus easy setup instructions in zip format. Your customers will get all the regular syndication benefits of a WordPress platform with this funnel. Your customers are also getting 9 free traffic sources, free traffic jackpots, plus a case study of the traffic sources that they can use to drive additional traffic to their done-for-you setup. And then you have Upsell number 2. It is 49 pre-written emails grouped into 4 separate email sequences, 9 to 12 emails in each sequence to cater 4 levels of trainings of the done-for-you setup. These emails are specially designed to bring in targeted leads and sales, also to build relations and trust with the subscribers. With the email sequences, your customers are also getting PLR rights to 6 both in the PDF and text format reports on IM subjects written specially for this setup. Your customers will have the opportunity to transform them, make their own, putting their names and pictures on these. They are going to upload these and give away these reports linked with the emails to their subscribers to establish their authority over them. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. Front end is $9.95, which is a recurring profit machine V3. Then you have upsell number 1, it costs $27, and then you have upsell number 2, and it costs $17. Okay, so now we have talked about the prices and upsells. Let's quickly go through the sales page. So here you can see this is the sales page of Recurring Profit Machine V3. Step-by-step training course reveals how to make $154.37 per day by uploading our done-for-you recurring profit machine. And you can see the income proof here. You can watch this video in your own time by clicking through to the link in the description below. How are things going in your online business? Are you making a solid, consistent daily income? If not, please pay close attention, because today you will get the chance to get your hands on Training Plus, a done-for-you system that will make you a consistent stream of recurring online income. Okay, now this is this sales copy. You can read this in your own time. I woke up and discovered that a panda had destroyed my online income. Not a real panda, of course. What I'm referring to is Google's panda update. Google's penguin update hit my income hard too. I realized a couple of things from this devastating blow. Free search engine traffic is not all it's cracked up to be, and I needed to come up with a solid recurring income method that couldn't go away overnight due to something as simple as a search engine algorithm change. These were the requirements. It must be easy to get things set up and not take a lot of time. Getting to $100+ in recurring must happen quickly within the first week of getting going, and the method must be scalable without a lot of additional work each day. This method shouldn't rely on traffic that could vanish overnight. It must be newbie-friendly. After a lot of testing and trial and error, I was hopeful that I had finally had my method. Within 24 hours of getting going, I made $10.50 and $65.03 the next day. You can see the proof here. At the end of the first week, my daily income became like this. And you can see today $161.08 and yesterday $129.26. Over the next month, I banked $3,525.72, and I only had to spend a couple of hours per week working on this method. And again, you can see the proof here. He's made $3,525.72. Each month, my income just gets bigger and bigger with this simple method. It must be easy to get things set up and not take a lot of time. This method shouldn't rely on traffic that could vanish overnight. Getting to $100 in recurring must happen quickly within the first week of getting going. It must be newbie friendly, and the method must be scalable without a lot of additional work each day. Introducing recurring profit machine. Okay, here's exactly what you will be getting inside. You'll get access to the step-by-step success guide. You'll get access to done for you recurring funnel. And here's a preview of just a few of the things you will discover inside the step-by-step training. You will discover how to scale your income past $200 per day, $300 per day or more. The simple steps to get everything running smoothly so you can make you as much money as possible with the done-for-you recurring income funnel that you get inside. How to quickly get traffic flowing fast using and start building your passive income stream today. How to get to a consistent $100 per day income stream quickly. The simple automation tools and techniques to make you money while you sleep. How to get started and get things set up today even if you are a total newbie and have no prior experience, plus a whole lot more. This is a simple method that anyone can follow to get to $100 per day and beyond, but don't take my word for it. Look at what the real people have to say about the recurring profit machine training course. You can see all these marketers talking about the course, the recurring profit machine. Are you ready to make a recurring $100 to $300 per day? Okay, so it also comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about anything. Come and check out the sales page in your own time by clicking through the link in the description below. So I have talked about the JV page, the sales page, and now I am actually going to talk about the product itself. Here you can see I am inside of the members area of Recurring Profit Machine V3. Actually, the course is not online. When you log in, you will be presented with this page that will say thank you for your purchase, and then you will have a button that says click here to download Recurring Profit Machine's files. So you will need to click this button to download the course. I have done that already, and I am going to show you now. Here you can see RPM front end, and this is the main method, guys. Recurring Profit Machine main method. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, so this is the method, Recurring Profit Machine, and disclaimer in terms of use. And here is the entire course, guys. So you have the introduction and overview, what to expect from this package, why make freebie list, beginning recurring profit actions, setting up a proper funnel, traditional funnel, recurring profit machine funnel. You'll learn how to buy a quality solo ads tool to eliminate bot traffic, where to buy, evaluating a solo ad seller, ask questions before purchasing, building a relationship with the subscribers, and solo ad alternatives, understanding done for you RPF, story continues to make money, affiliate products to promote, and summarizing. So these are the table of contents of this course. Of course, I'm not going to go through them right now because I don't want to give this away. If you want to get access to this course, you simply click the link in the description below and purchase it, and you will get access to the entire course and all the content that I've just read here. Okay, so this was the members area. Okay, so now I have talked about the JV page, I've talked about the sales page, I've shown you guys the members area and the PDF, which is the main method, and this is the end of this review. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this Recurring Profit Machine V3 review, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.